What's going on, everybody? Marquise Meda here at the Orlando Science Center, joined by Yami. And as Literacy Month continues, we got two great sources of literature for kids learning about clouds today.
Yeah, absolutely. So there's all kinds of knowledge you can find in books. And since we're celebrating literacy, we have a book here called Cloudette. And it's literally the story of a cloud and her little journey through life. And today our activity is going to draw inspiration on that, and we're going to create a cloud spotter.
Excellent. Well, I'm looking forward to it. Let's get started.
Yeah, absolutely. So we start here with a just cardboard rectangle, but you can use cardstock if you'd like. And we kind of pre-made one, so we're going to just reveal that for us there.
Voila, there we are.
Wow, our artistic expertise here. So the idea of the cloud spotter is literally that. You're going to take it out into nature, hold it up, and you're going to be able to spot what these clouds look like.
So we're just holding this up in the sky, and then we're going to use what we've already drawn here to identify which type of cloud we'll be looking at.
Yes, absolutely. So we have our three basic types of clouds here. So let's start with cumulus, since we're not outdoors, but we're going to give it a try right here.
Let's slide this puppy right in here. And the thing about cumulus clouds, they're my favorite because they represent great weather, right? It's a fair weather day when you got some blue in the sky and these big old white puffy clouds just like this. So
yeah, so we drew a picture of what a cumulus cloud kind of looks like, and then just some keywords. You said great weather, and they're naturally puffy. Next, we have stratus clouds.
So stratiform clouds, the base stratus is sheets or a blanket, right?
Yes. So that was literally one of our identifying words right there, blanket or sheet, and we talked about how it's in bunches as well.
And these clouds don't necessarily mean there's going to be bad weather at that very moment, that there could be bad weather over the next day or two, but for the moment, though, these are just sheets up in the sky, right?
Yes, resembling that blanket kind of form. All right, and then we've got our last one. Slide that one in.
But not least, here we go. What do we got here?
We have cirrus clouds. Look at that. Very, very cool.
Yeah. And one of the ways I recognize cirrus clouds, or I remember them, is that they are seriously high up in the sky, right?
Yes.
So thin, wispy ice crystals.
Oh, yeah.
The reason why they're ice crystals is because the higher you go in elevation, well, the colder it's going to get.
Yes, so we wrote that in there as our keywords, and it looks really great. So literally, you have a cloud spotter you can make at home, cut it out with your adult, anybody to help you out, and I just encourage you to get out into nature, see what you can find out there.
And this is a very fun feature to have right here throughout Literacy Month. And as we mentioned, we've got two great sources of literature. Obviously, there's more online for the various types of clouds that there are.
Yes, you can really go and expand upon this. If you want to put even more cloud shapes and types, you can. And you can kind of make it a fun adventure, do a scavenger hunt with your family.
Sounds like a fun time. Also, a fun time here at the Orlando Science Center. But for right now, Marquise Meda, I'll send it back to you.